Whoa. Ow. Whoa. Oh. What? No.
There's no way.
Yo, can you hear me?
How are you giant?
Yo, can you hear me? Jump if you can hear me. Jump if you can hear me. Jump.
It's coming. Monster's coming. It's coming.
Not a monster.
See?
I got with him. Wally has. Yo, I got a question, man. You're famous. I got a question. Speaking to the mic.
He's a damn APK.
I got a question.
He's a damn APK.
I got a question. The monster, please.
Why are you APK? I hate APK.
Can you spawn the green monster? Please. Can you spawn the green monster? Please, I beg you to. Can you spawn the green monster, please?
Oh, no.
Yo, why does everyone just want to take the little body? No! Run, Jimmy. Jump if you can hear me. Jump if you can hear me, man. I can hear you. Oh, he's gonna put it Yo, man. Yo, little man. What? Why are you guys screaming for? Why are you screaming? No, stop. Give me it. Why are you doing it? Wait, let's go exploring, bro. Why are you sleeping with that tracker? Where's the monster? Where's the monster? Bro! Hey, Queso. I don't know. Yes, Queso. He's gonna take my tracker.
He's so big.
You're giant.
It's Queso.
That's it.
Big bag.
Hey.
Yo, can you spawn monsters? Can you spawn multiple monsters? It's fun. Can you spawn multiple of them so my head dies? Not my head dies, but if you spawn multiple monsters, it'll be wild.
Can you take us to the monster? Oh, no. Can you take us to the monster? Take us to the monster. Also,
Why is spawn the monsters broken in lobby?
Take us to the monster.
He's not a stab. He has a
How do you know that? Take us to the
How do you know
monster.
that? Yo, why is he so small?
Look at you, bro. Look at you.
Why is he
Bully him, guys. Bully him so he gets big. Bully him so he gets big. Bully him so he gets big.
Oh my gosh. I just turned off my flashlight. I actually
Uh-oh.
Big bag.
Look at them. I kill you. I kill your son. Big bag.
You're so cool.
Hit him! Get him!
Green.
Wait, you I got you!
Jump in. Jump in. Jump in.
Right, Big Mama!
Jump in.
Green, I kill your son. Green, I kill your son. I kill him. I kill your son.
Kill my Jimmy. Kill Jimmy.
Wait, who?
Whoa.
Yo! What did you do?
I'm Spider-Man. I'm Spider-Man. Spider-Man. That's whatever a spider can.
I'm Spider-Man. Spider-Man. That's whatever is Spider. Spider-Man. Spider-Man. That's whatever a spider can.
No!
Bro, I'm Spider-Man.
Please! My headset is on the last I'm stuck! Chat! Chat, I'm stuck! I get right here. Moderator, if you heard me,
I'm in this blue thing. I'm in this blue thing.
Stop, please.
We can't see the outside world. Bro,
What the heck?
last hugs.
What is that? What is that?
I'm trapped. Help.
What is that?
I'm stuck. He spawned more.
No! What is that? I don't want to die! I don't want to die by the void.
I can't see.
Double!
I can't breathe.
Is that the void? Help! I don't want to die. This might be the end.
Can't breathe.
Help.
Help! Help! Help me! Come here, bro.
This is a terrible moderator.
What is this? Is this the void? Oh no.
I'm sorry, I called you Big Bag.
I don't want to get kicked from the game.
Big Bag.
Shot. What is going on?
At least I'm at the floor.
What is this? Is that someone's body that he took? Is that the
I'm stuck in
moderator?
this blue thing in this tight space.
I'm coming in. It's the domain expansion. It's a domain expansion. It's a domain expansion.
Whoever is the mod, help! Actually, stop.
It's a domain expansion. It's a domain expansion.
Report the moderator. Yeah, report the moderator.
Domain expansion.
Guys, everybody report the moderator.
Bro, they bro really did the world, but domain expansion.
Yeah, report him.
Bro, I fucking did moderator.
I'm about to crash out, bro.
That's an APK
Yeah, you gotta
user.
crash out.
I don't think so. I can do that.
What's his user?
I don't want to fly anymore. Remove this. Oh, yes, I'm back. Yes.
We're free.
Yeah, I survived. I was about to leave.
I'm gonna talk shit about him.
Yo,
Alright, guys, let's go find a monster.
I found a monster.
Let's find a monster now.
yeah.
If I find him again, I'm literally
Guys, we should find a monster before the monster finds us. No, Timmy. No, let's just wait for the monster.
I got it first. Give it back.
No, I got it first.
Where is
Bro,
he?
it's not Timmy, that's Jimmy, bro, you bitch.
I wanna see
Bro, his name is Timmy.
Guys, let's find the monster.
Hurry, I'm safe.
My kid, bro.
Where's the smile face?
I see Jimmy.
eat some
Yeah,
There's
Jimmy.
smile face.
Yo,
We should go find the monster. It's delicious.
But your screen like turns red. I'm like,
oh, I forgot it there.
he's a parent.
You guys won this. You guys won this. You guys won this.
He's a parent. Faster than banana. I hope you know.
Oi.
Green, stand still. Green, stand still. Green, stand still. Green, don't.
Boo.
Green, stand still.
He's gonna do the thing to you. He's gonna do the thing.
Who's the monster?
No. Bye.
We got questions to make, moderator. We got questions to make.
Yeah, you guys got push in the domain.
Moderator, we got questions to make.
Revenge.
I think he ran.
Take the revenge to that moderator. He has something wrong. But
I heard the
he's not a moderator. He's an APK user.
Guys, if your screen turns red and you see a smile face, just run.
It's
That's basically the red monster. Instead of it actually kills you, it kicks you. It's the opposite. He's faster than banana car. So if you see a smile face, just run, bro. I do not care. Just run.
You get kicked if you get
You have
killed.
banana car on green. You have banana car.
Yeah.
Yeah, but because I really want banana car. car. It's on the monitor.
By the way, it's faster than banana car.
No, he's not.
Banana
He's
car is not
fucking
even
slow.
that fast.
I've seen it. I've seen him before, but he was slow. He was really
He's
slow.
faster than Red.
But he
The,
mostly
battery.
walks in a wall. He's mostly in a
he's
wall.
faster, man.
I'm faster than him.
He's mostly like this.
Just turn red.
Then he goes like,
Red.
He does like this,
Ankles.
and then he just stands right here,
yeah,
and then waits for another one to
He's
get
like,
kicked. Wait 10 minutes.
And then he like moves.
And then it
Papa comes
works, and
outside,
then he
he's like,
goes for a new player. 10 minutes. Catches another player. Gone. A vent over. That's it.
bend over, bro.
Don't bend over.
wanna
He'll
do it.
clap you. You bend over, he'll
Yo,
clap
get
you to
away!
death. And he'll kick
Get
you.
away, bro. I was trying to get
That's
away
already
from
happened to
y'all.
me.
What? I just
Bro,
bent
man.
you over?
He bent you over? That's crazy.
Nah,
Bro,
in real
I
life,
just
me.
saw that.
In real life.
What the?
Oh!
The smile, it's there.
What's the smile? Where's the smile?
Oh my god! Oh my! Yo 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 yo!
Oh, hell no. Dude,
Nah,
I
nah,
saw it.
I'm
The
not
red
dying.
screen. No, I'm not getting kicked.
No,
Dog.
no.
Dog.
What the heck was that?
Dog. What is that thing? Did the developers put that in there?
Oh, that thing
Did
that's
the developers
smelly.
put this? Did the developers put this in here?
If yes, people are safe, cause the monster's really fast than the others.
Yeah, I mean, I have speed boost. Speed boost, like, no one could catch speed boost. It's too fast.
Wait, what happened to the others? Let's go.
They probably got kicked because they didn't run.
I think they juke him or her. I don't know.
No, they definitely got kicked because, like, they would have came the same way we did.
Oh my god, I'm
But
so
to be
scared.
honest, half of them didn't even run.
Let's go back.
Some of them were frozen. Man. No cap, I'm about to quit the game.
I'm right here.
No cap, I'm about to quit the game. I'm
Where's
quitting the
the-
game, peace.
Where's the exit? Don't leave. This game. I am dying. I am getting kicked from the game because I'm so cool. Now I'm lost because I am. Wait, I think I'm lost. I don't want to get kicked by the monster. I don't want to get kicked from the monster. I gotta go fast. I'm the only one who's still alive. Oh my. I don't have a good I don't have a good feeling about this. Everything was fun. I just made myself lost. He just made me. Oh my god. I can't do this. I can't do this. I just lost myself. Snake check. I can't.